Omuhwezi wa kariisho-riisho wa government Dr. Patricia Achan yakoraho kurambura kwaho naho ayirwariro rya Masindi Port Health Center 2 omugombora ya Masindi Port omu district ya Kiryandongo niko kushanga abashaho babiri bonka kandi abandi batariho kandi batahire na nshonga yona otwariremu na mukuru waryo Dennis Okelo.
So how many patients do you receive per day?
I average 25 as OPD.
Okay. But now that you are alone, are you able to attend to them?
Yeah, we work on them because they come on internet.
So we have asked the Chief Administrative Officer to take it up from there and discipline any staff who just runs away on training without putting it in writing or seeking authority of the accounting officer.
Dr. Patricia arukurambura project ezikozirwe government okurabira mu office yenganzi yihanga omuntebe nkanisa ya development response to displacement impact project ninga DRDIP.
So it's important for people to attend to duty, to come to office in time by 5 o'clock and ensure that you serve the people and serve this nation diligently.
Yabanza yageraho urukiko n'abebembezi ba district aho yashabira abebembezi okujora misho okureba ngo sente za government zakore kintu kishemire.
I want to thank you again for the team that you created on the ground, the community monitoring groups that we have on the ground. Many times they have not only blown whistles, they have not only drawn our attention on the projects, Dr. Deep and Musa, but they have also done it in many of the service centers, like in the health centers and in the hospital, to tell us that there is an issue here.
We must ensure that there is value for money for projects implemented, to ensure that the outcome benefits the population.
District ya Kiryandongo ekatunga bilioni 36 okurabira omuntebe nkanisa ya DRDIP Kiryandongo kandi hat project 330 zimazire okukorwaho omu district ezirimo amashomero, amezi, amarwariro hamwe n'ebindi. Amakuru agagashakwa niwagaba Ambrose Katoto.